VO1 India Victor, VO1 MDS, go ahead.
Good evening, Bill. How's it going?
Oh, it's going, boy. I just turned the radio on there and heard that racket.
Yes, it's certainly a racket indeed. It's awful noisy, certainly. But that's it. That's, people got nothing else to do than interfere with people. So, whatever. You listen to the input down there as well?
No, I never got in quick enough for that.
Say again, Joe?
I never got in quick enough to get the input of it, or?
Really good, sir. Well, from the research that has been done, it's getting pretty good out. Getting narrowed down. So, anyways, that's all that we can do. Just let them keep on keeping on, and we'll keep zeroing in.
Roger that. Yep. Well, eventually it'll be caught and dealt with, and the rest will be history, as you say.
Yeah, them fellas gets tired of that too after a while. They just gives up, usually, when we still carry on. And they just get sick and tired of interfering and find something else to do. You can always get licensed. I know nobody's listening, that's fine. You can listen all you want. You could just reach out and get licensed like the rest of us and join us. Which would be fine if you passed your exam. Or you could just completely shut up. One of the two would be acceptable. And that's all I have. We'll say 7-3. VO1 IV mobile. This is the VO1 TT repeater.
Roger that, Aaron. No problem, buddy. Completely understood.
Sounds good, Joe. Catch you later. VO1 IV clear.